want it on my face. Hello everybody. This is a coffee break brought to you in part by Starbucks. Starbucks. It's coffee. Okay, so I was nominated by my buddies over at the Rustic Mountain Adventures YouTube channel to show y'all how I make coffee when I'm out in a boot. And this is what I do. I find coffee. And then I get a view. It usually has to be a pretty nice view, but sometimes it's not, and that's okay too. That rhymes. Then I take my coffee, and my chef assistant Rick here has so graciously boiled up a bunch of water, and you just put a little lot in, just enough that it's as black as a soul, and you close up your coffee so the Sam Squanches can't get it. And you take whatever contraption you've decided to purchase and or make in order to make this easier. For me, I just spent too much money on a MSR coffee filter press for my whatever the heck name this stove is. And I just kind of put it in there. It's a bit of a process, but it works. And I just let it steep for a little bit and stand here and maintain an uncomfortable amount of constant eye contact. Okay, then we just push down on the red button. And those coffee grounds are just going to seep through the small holes on the press and give you a real nice light or heavy or moderately heavy light, moderately not light but not quite heavy brew. Then you just take your coffee cup and get most of it in the cup.